Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the bank account to your Vinted account in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Vinted app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our feed and articles, suggestions. From here we have to tap on the profile menu, and here it opens up like this. Here. Now we scroll down to the bottom, tap on settings, then we tap on payments, and at the bottom at withdrawal options, we can tap on add bank account. And here we can just add the name, the IBAN code, and then the billing address. And yeah, we can just save it afterwards, and by tapping the OK sign in the top right corner, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.